spreading winter lights news to one and all. In this darkest of years, Make It York and York Bid have once again lit up the city centre under the stars with 160,000 bulbs twinkling across the city, including at York Minster, St Helens Square and the medieval bars. And this year, we want you to share your own lights with us using the hashtag #LightUpYork to spread some festive greetings. It's time to get in the Christmas mood and ditch all the Zoom meetings. And with help from more than one guy in a big red coat, it is still the season to be jolly. And please remember to shop local for all your festive items, including gifts and turkey and even a sprig of holly. To help with your Christmas list, visit the Visit York Virtual Christmas Market, which is open now at visityork.org, with more than 50 businesses who need you right now, with amazing Christmas tradesmen, indie traders and attractions ready to give you that Christmas wow. And with York all lit up and looking so magical, there is just one thing left to say. Ho yay! Ho yay! Ho yay! Have a very merry York Christmas!